We're in Cahuilla territory. This is the center of our territory right here, at the top of the mountain right here.
As president of Idyllwild Arts, I'm extremely proud of launching the Native American Arts Center.
The goal of the Native American Arts Center at Idyllwild Arts is to be the preeminent location and destination for the advancement of American Indian arts in this country. The groundwork for the opening of the center started back in 1948, and if we really want to talk about creativity and innovation, that's something that has always existed since the beginning of time here on this special mountain, which is called Ayakite. It's a gathering mountain. So for thousands and thousands of years, our ancestors, the Cahuilla and Serrano people, and the Cahuilla and Serrano people of today have always utilized this land as a place for learning and for sharing of thought and ideas.
The Native American Arts program was always robust and always successful. The Native American Arts Festival, people have been coming to since the early years here at Idyllwild Arts.
We will now, after 75 years, have a physical space on campus that is dedicated to the year-round programming of the Native American Arts Centers.
It allows us to provide year-round programming for adults and students. It allows our academy students to learn more about the indigenous community.
So everything that we've become famously known for, our workshops, our lectures, our artist in residency program, is something that we can facilitate year-round now.
And this was sort of the first step that I took into this journey of composing and combining my traditional heritage with everything that I learned about the piano, which is an instrument that most people do not associate with indigenous peoples. I think it's important to show the world, as what my grandmothers both told me, all of the different things that the indigenous people can do outside of our just traditional gifts.
This is actually Taquishheki, which means the home of Taquish, and it is a very, very special area because, our mothers, our grandmothers, our great-grandmothers, all the way on down the line, have come here and lived here, and so this is our home.
My mother actually came here when I was still a young boy. She talked about this place, Idyllwild. And she came, I think she came here to teach Hopi food, I think. So I heard about this place. And when I came here and I said, wow, this is where they were at. And it's a nice foresty place up on the mountain.
Well, if someone wants to learn how to do jewelry, or I get there's a lot of things they do here, tapestry and pottery making, weaving. And this is a good place because they always bring an artist who is well known in doing those projects, like myself.
I think the importance for somebody who might consider joining us during the summertime or during the academy is to learn a different point of view.